Good morning, students. So, last class we have studied about decimals. We have started the introduction. Okay, we have introduced decimals. So, we have learnt about how to write 1/10th part. Okay, so one number after decimal point. Okay, one place after decimal. So today we learnt about hundreds. Okay, after 10th what it is coming? Hundreds. So let's see how we can write hundredth and what is hundredths. Okay, so here I have written the wrong spelling, that is, this is HUNDREDTH, means you will write like in 10th you are writing 10 then TH, like that 100 then THS. Okay, hundredths. So let's see how we can write. If one block is divided into 100 equal parts, means one part is what? 1 by 100. That 1 by 100 is known as 1/100th of a unit. Okay, means of a single part, means of a whole. Okay, so 1 by 100th means it is 1 by 100 part of one whole. So it can be written in decimal notation 0.01, means we are writing the 1 in second place. Okay, this is the 1/100th place. So after decimal, first one is 1/10th, then second number is what? That second digit is, that is coming in when? That is 1/100th part. So as we are knowing that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So if we have to find the opposite, then 1 centimeter equal to how much? If we will represent in meter, 1 by 100 meter. Okay, so look at here, 1 by 100 meter. So this one we can write as 1 by 100 means 0.01 meter. Okay, so here the second number after decimal represent what? 1/100th part of a whole. So let's see. And the second number after the decimal represent the 100th part of a whole. Let's see what it is written. So here 13.95 means 1 is on 10th place, 3 is in 1's place. This is what? Decimal point. Then 9 is in 10th place and 5 is in 100th place. So how we can treat it as 13? Okay, we'll read it as 13 point, then after that 95, not 95. What we can write? 95. After decimal, whatever numbers are there, you will separate, read as digit. Okay, so whatever number is there, 13.95. Okay, what you will write? 135.76. Okay. What you will read? 10.05. Okay. What you will read? 10.30. Okay. Like this you can read. After decimal you will read separately. Alga alga kari tum padhibo each number ko. Like 13.76, 13.05, 13.3, sorry, 10.0, 135.76, 10.05, 10.3, here 13.95. Okay, so like that we can read the 100th part. So decimal in the 100 form shows that we have divided the number into 100 equal parts. Okay, so we are knowing in when we are writing 1/10th part, what we are doing? We are dividing in 10th part. A decimal in 10th means we are dividing a number into 10 equal parts. So here look, 10 equal parts it is divided. So one part is known as 1 by 10. If we take two parts, that is 2 by 10. If we will take three parts, that is 3 by 10. So 1 by 10 is 0.1, 2 by 10 is 0.2, 3 by 10 is 0.3. Like that, if we will dividing a number into 100 equal parts, then one part is known as 1 by 100. Means what? What you will write? 0.01. Okay. If I will take two parts, then what you will write? 2 by 100. What is that? 0.02. Okay. So if I am taking how much? Count it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. So what you will write? 10 by 100. Okay. So what you will write? 0.10. Okay. So 10 by 100 is 0.10. Let's see some more. So look at here. This box. Okay. This box is divided into 100 equal parts. So let's find out. Okay. If I'll take 8 square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if I'll say 8 squares. 8 squares means in ordinary function. What I'll write fraction, right? 8 by 100. Okay, we'll write 8 by 100. And in decimal number, what you will write? You will write 8 by 100 means 0.08. Okay, because this is the 100th place. Next, 15 squares. 15 squares means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15. So 15 squares. If I am setting 15 squares means 15 by 100. Okay. So 15 by 100. How we can write? The decimal of 15 by 100 is how much? 0.15. Okay. So here what we have written? 15 by 100 means 0.15. So we are not writing 0.015 because here if you will see 1 is on 10th part and 5 is on 100th part. Okay. Next you see, if I'll mark 50 squares. Okay. So look, 50 squares means 50 by 100. So look at here, if I will do, what we can write? 0.50. Simply I can write as 0.5. Okay. So look at here, 8 by 100 means in decimal, we'll write as in decimal 0.08. 15 by 100. So we can write as 10 plus 5 by 100. Okay. So we can write as 10 by 100 plus 5 by 100. So look at here, 10 by 100 is what? 10 by 100 is your 1 by 10. Okay, we can convert 10 by 100 into 1 by 10 because 10 by 100 means you can divide, you can reduce it into, you can make it into reduced form. 10 by 100 is how much? 1 by 10. If we will divide the numerator and denominator by 10, you will get 1 by 10 plus 5 by 100. So what you can write? Here 1/10 part, here 10th part, if this one is 100 part, so 0.15. Like this, 92 squares means 92 by 100. So you can write as 90 plus 2 by 100. So 90 by 100 plus 2 by 100. So you can write as 90 by 100 is how much? This is 9 by 10 plus 2 by 100. So 0. First 10th part will come 9, then 2. Okay, like this you can write the shaded portion, that ordinary function, into decimal number. So let's see. Okay, so 8 square means 0.08, 15 square means 0.15. Okay, then 50 squares means 0.5. Okay, 0 you can write 0.50, that is what? 0.5. 92 squares means 92 by 100, 0.92. Let's see what is place value chart. How we can put in place value chart? So this is the place value chart, which tells place value of each digit in decimal number. It makes it easy to write the numbers in decimal forms. So if you are knowing the where the number is, digit is put, means it is, if it is 10th place, we will write 1 by 10. If it's in 100th place, we can write 1 by 100. Okay, if it is in 10th place, we can multiply 10. If it's in 100 place, we will multiply 100. If it is 1's place, we will multiply 1. Let's see how we can write. So look at here. So first decimal point is in middle, and to the right, if you will go all the after decimal, what is there? 10th, 100th, like that you can make thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, like this. If you are going towards left, 1, 10, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, here SS you will add 1, 10, 100, 1000 place. But here 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000, 1 by 10,000, 1 by 100,000. That one you will put as 10th, 100th, 1000th, 10,000th, 100,000th. Like this, these are the, means after 100 place you will put. Okay, like if something is in this 1000 place, so it is in 5. So what you can write? 0. You put 0 in 10th place, put 100 in 1000 place, sorry, 0 in 100 place, then 5 is in what? 1000 place. So put here 5. So let's see, by seeing the chart, how can you can write place value chart, how you can write the decimal form. So look at here, this given. First is 4, 6, 10, 4, 6, 3, 8. Okay, so 4 is in 100 place. So number you can write as 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'll put like this. So number 1 is 4 into 100 plus 6 into 10's place means 6 into 10 plus 3 is in 1's place, 3 into 1 plus 18 is in 1/10th place, 8 into 1 by 10 plus nothing is there. So I'll leave it. Okay, so this one you can write as equal to, okay, 4 into 100, 400 plus 6 into 10, 60 plus 3 into 1, 3 plus 8 into 1 by 10, 8 by 10. Okay, so how you can write? 463, this is whole number, 0.8. Okay, next look. Number 2. 2 into 100, because 2 is in 100 place, plus 5 into 10, 10 is in, 5 is in 10 place, tens, plus 9 into 1, 9 is in ones place, plus 7 into 1 by 10 because 7 is in 10th place, plus 1 is in 100th place, 1 into 1 by 100. So you can write it 200 plus 50 plus 9 plus 7 by 10 plus 1 by 100 equal to how much? 259. Then put point. Then 7, 9. So 10th place 7 and 100th place 9. Like this you can easily find the decimal number of third and fourth. Okay. So look at some example. So first is given write 3 by 4 as decimals. Okay, so look at here 3 by 4. So 4, what we have to do? Here 4 is not 10, 100 or 1000. Okay, so we have to convert it either 10 or 100 what it is converting. So this 4 cannot be converted into 10 but 4 can be converted into 100. 4 को 10 करी परिवानी but 4 को 100 करी परिवा. So we'll make it convert it into equivalent fraction with 100. So 3 into 4 into. So 4 into 25 is 100. So we'll multiply 25 above also. So 25 3 is 75 by 100. Okay. So what we'll do? 75 by 100. So 75 by 100 means 0.75. Okay. Next to see write 2.04 as fraction in lowest term. So let's say fraction in lowest term 2.04 means what it is? Equal to 2 plus 0.4 means 0 by 10 plus 4 by 100. So 2 plus 0 by 10 means 0. So 4 by 100 means 4 by 100. 2 plus 4 by 100. So convert 2 into equivalent fraction with denominator 100. So 2 into 1 into 100, 2 into 100 you will do. This one you will do in rough work. So 200 by 100. So write as 200 by 100 plus 4 by 100. So now you get the denominator equal. So you can now add 204 by 100. Look at here 204 by 100. And so now we can make it into reduced form. Okay, reduced into lowest term. So how we can reduce? 204 divided by, we can divide the numerator and denominator with SCF of numerator and denominator. So SCF is how much? Your 4. 100 divided by 4. So how much you are getting? This is 51 by 25. So like that you can convert the decimal into fraction. And after that, if you are getting the lowest terms or reduced form, you can reduce it. Next example, say write 200 plus 30 plus 5 plus 2 by 10 plus 9 by 100 plus 5 by 1000 as decimal. So look at here what it is written. 200 plus 30 plus 5 plus 2 by 10 plus 9 by 100 plus 5 by 1000. Means this is in 100 place, 10th place, 1st place. This is 10th place, 100th place and 1000th place. What you will write? 2 into 100. We'll find out the place value. 2 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 5 into 1 means 100th place, 10th place, 1st place. Then plus 2 into 1 by 10 means 10th place. 9 into 1 by 100 means 100th place. Plus 5 into 1 by 1000 means 1000th place. Now you can write in decimal 235 point, in 10th place is what? 200th place 9 and 1000th place 5 means 235.295. Okay, so while making this form as decimal, first you find out the value, place value. After that you can easily write the decimal number. Next we'll see write 9 and 25,000 in decimal form. So let's see 9 and 25,000. What you will write? 9 and 25,000. Okay, so this is 9 and 25,000. So now we will make it into separate form, means place value. So you are knowing 9 is 1, 9 plus here if we'll put then 0 by 10 plus 2 by 100 plus 5 by 1000. Okay, so 9 is in 1's place, 0 is in 10th place and 2 is in 100th place, 5 is in 1000th place. So you can write is 9.025. Okay, like this you can write as what you can write? You can write a decimal form. So look at here how we have converted 25 by 1000. 25 by 1000, what you can write means here 20 plus 5 by 1000. So 20 plus 5 by 1000 means what? 20 by 1000 plus 5 by 1000. So you can convert 20 by 1000 is how much? 2 by 100 plus 5 by 1000. So look at here, this is 2 by 100, this is 5 by 1000, but nothing is there for 10th place. So you can, what you have written? 0 by 10. So before that you can convert this 25 by 1000 in this 10th and 1000 form, or 10th, 100 or 1000 form. So this one you can write as 0 by 10 plus 2 by 100 plus 5 by 1000. Okay, so before this 0 you will come, because in 10th place no number is there. That's why you can write as 0 by 10. 0 by 10. Then for 2 by 100, 2 is in 100th place and 5 is in 1000th place. That's why 9.025.